Nicholas ain't never moved so fast in his life. Well, it's Monday night. It's definitely going to be a wet wash night. Time to get her stripped down, get the damage off of it. Got to take the whole left side off so we can straighten it. Now that it's light, you can see all the rubber on it. She is a dirty girl. This is our left rear. There is nothing left of it. Here's our right rear, nothing left of it. Here's our right front, it's jumped. There ain't much left on it. Wash night coming up. Nothing the forklift won't fix.
So you need around here, bodies by DK.
Yeah, bodies by crew here.
Him over once. No. What? Oh, you don't mind? No. Where are we going? I can't smash that lip.
Put your end that way. No,
just lay it down.
Whoa. It ain't that complicated, Nicholas.
Come on, Aaron. What the hell?
You can take your butt down to Principal O. Shag Hennessy's office.
That's right. Says something. That motherfucker ran straight into the Baylor on the first pass. Push it in a little bit. Yep. You already did the Baylor, you don't need it. Yeah, KO the Baylor.
When it don't work tomorrow, I'll blame it on Bruce.
Alright, I think that one's good. Yep.
Well, she's starting to look like a race car again.
I'm not going to get it all started.
Do what?
I'm not going to tighten it up till we get it all started.
Well, she's put back together, body-wise. Looking like a race car again. Well, Jack Stan Jimmy here took care of the entire right side. That's going to do it for tonight. Weather forecast this week does not look good for this weekend for Brownstown Bi-State Battle Friday night. Mars Series at world famous Highland Speedway on Saturday. So we're playing the weather game once again. I thought it was April showers brings May flowers, but it's been storms in May. Well, it's Thursday afternoon. She's about 95% done. Got to put that fender on once. We put the new power steering lines on that came in yesterday. Got some new mud plug certs for our wheels so we can keep the mud plugs on. Shocks are done, ready to go on. Not too bad. However, the forecast for tomorrow, I think at Brownstown, is 80% chance of rain. It has been raining here off and on most of the day since about 9 o'clock this morning. So we'll see what happens there. I know the MLRA race at Benton, Missouri and Farmington, Missouri have already rained out. Takes a lot of rain for Highland not to race. I've seen, we got 6 inches of rain on a Tuesday and we raced there Wednesday. And when we got there at 3 o'clock, the bulldozers were on the track. If you go back to the Highland Fair race from 2 years ago, that was the race. It's in the videos if you want to see that. But we're gonna get to it. You see how dented the dang cockpit is right there where your hand is?
Dude, I seen that the other day.
Something waylaid it. Now they're getting the lines changed. Cooper just wants somebody to throw his toy for him.
Didn't take much.
Seems like the back bowl don't. Did you put a whole cord in it already?
Yeah.
The power steering lines are changed. You're getting ready to fire up, circulate the fluid through it.
How full you got it? Pull it all the way up.
Yeah. Not all the way up, but it's full. It should go down.
Yeah, I about 2 inches lower than when you fill it.
Well, yeah, it should go down though. We ain't got nothing and nothing else. It got hammered a bunch.
Yeah, I don't know what he ran over, but
Well, it got the cat. Yeah, it got everything. And he may say and throw a fit that we're even thinking that way, but I don't have nothing.
No,
That's
that
where
would
it
get you
broke
by.
at.
That was from the pump to the.
kinked there, 2 different spots. Don't know what he ran over, but it KO'd that in the front of the cockpit.
You know, in a situation you can get out of it, you know. I mean, it can happen again.
I don't know if you can see the mark down there. Whatever it did, that's where the hose got smashed in.
That one's empty. Power steering fluid. Fuck. Got a full one right there, man.
Our switch went bad, so we got a new one. We're gonna swap it out, get rid of our Redneck Engineering one there. The switch has changed. Much better. Looks like that one besides the on and off indicator, but with it being a 3-way, it doesn't matter. Douglas ordered our ends for our countertop, got them on. They look nice. Had to keep the t-shirts from sliding off. Where did the hood go?
We got rid of it. No, it's right there.
Oh.
And we put the fender up there too.
Uh-huh.
Kind of cleaned things up a little bit, making it.
Well, we probably need to put a strap or something up there to keep it from sliding off the front.
Do they? Oh, because the hood held it.
The hood held them up there.
Fuck! We fixed one problem.
Create another
Create
one.
another. Son of a bitch.
But without that hood up there, it does make it easier.
Yep, I'm running dry.
You're running dry?
Yeah.
On rubbers?
Yeah. I ain't got no more rubbers. Son of a bitch. It's because Doug keeps wanting to go asphalt racing. We keep burning them up.
I like asphalt.
Tire supply is getting low when you're burning them up 3 at a time.
Yeah. Anybody out there got some tires we can have?
Nicholas ain't never moved so fast in his life. Oh, it's just a sprinkle. Sunroof open, windows down. Well, I think that just answered, do we load right now?
No.
That answers that question. Ooh, she looked nice.
Really nice.
Nicholas had a front bumper mount, transponder mount made, 3D printed.
Heat some certs in it. They melt into there.
Yeah. Did he send the certs or no?
No, I have them. I have to pull it. Fuck, man.
Raining. Supposed to continue tonight.
No.
The stickers.
Oh,
It's raining pretty good now.
you're right. Yeah, you're 100% right.
Daryn called Brownstown's practicing tonight. So far they're racing tomorrow. See how that works out. Tires are on it, ready to go on the ground. Ready to load. I don't think we're going to load tonight. Brownstown says they're racing tomorrow. It's a bold move, Cotton. See how that works out. It's been doing this every day this week except yesterday.
I ain't exactly the head cashier at Walmart, but I'd say it's raining.
Pouring.